I've absolutely loved being a dad to my daughter and my son, and today I wanted to share just a brief insight that I used with them when they were in fourth grade to help them improve their relationship with money and concept of money. What I did is I gave them each 3 jars, and those 3 jars, we decorated them up and we put on a label on each one. The first label was a spend jar. This was money that they could spend for anything they wanted immediately, maybe a doll or a toy or a piece of candy. That was money that they could use for whatever they wanted. The second jar was a save jar. This was money that they would put away for a future purchase, maybe something a little bit bigger if they were saving up for a larger item, maybe a bicycle or something that they had to spend many months accumulating their birthday money and their Christmas money toward. The third jar was a give jar. This was to help other people who weren't as fortunate than us, or possibly a nonprofit that they were passionate about. And it was really great to see my kids understand and be discerning as to where they wanted to put their money and how to dole it out between those 3 jars. And I hope it gave them an awareness of understanding kind of instant gratification versus future use, and versus the joy of giving it to others. I'm also really happy that I was able to speak to both of my kids' 4th grade classrooms about this concept, and we created a give jar for each of those classrooms. And what it was is the kids would contribute to that give jar throughout the course of the year, and even some parents put some money into the give jar. And then the class collectively voted to determine which nonprofit they would like to support at the end of the year. In one case, I remember they supported a marine mammal center, and they got to go visit the marine mammal center. They gave them all their coins and dollar bills, and then they got to visit the work that was being done to save these sea lions and seals out in the Pacific near us. So it was really great to see them connect the dots between their giving jar and the impact that it was able to make.